I have some computer paper and a pen, and I'm just going to draw my first shape, and I'm using the painter's tape to just give me the rounded top, and then I just have a straight edge. I fold the paper in half and I'm cutting the shape out. And then I repeated that a second time. On the second piece, I'm just drawing a squiggly line going from the left to the right side. And then I'm going to cut that out. Once I had both the templates cut out, I then traced them on some cardboard and then cut them out of the cardboard. Cardboard is a nice material to work with. Once you paint it, you can't even tell that it was cardboard. So always keep that in mind. If you don't have a saw or something to cut wood, you can always use the cardboard. I took my first piece and I took some Wise Owl Snow Owl and I gave that a nice good coat. I set that aside to dry, and then I took my second piece and I'm going to use some Wise Owl Anchor. Next, I took some popsicle sticks, and I wasn't sure at the time how many I was going to need, so I just took 7, and I'm going to paint them all using some Wise Owl Republic Red, and then I'm going to allow that to fully dry. I took one unfinished popsicle stick and just marked it to use as a template so that it was the width of my first shape that we painted white, and then I cut all of the popsicle sticks to that length. I have this unfinished piece of wood that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use some General Finishes gel stain and cover the entire board. And you just rub the gel stain in with some paper towels. Next, I'm going to go back to the popsicle sticks and the white cardboard, and I'm going to glue one red popsicle stick at the bottom, and then I'm using the template as a spacer, and I'm going to go up the entire shape with the red popsicle sticks, leaving a space every other. The last popsicle stick I had to round out at the top here, and then I'm just going to glue that down. I then took the second shape we painted with the Wise Owl Anchor, and I glued that at the top. I'm going to use some Wise Owl Furniture Salve as a top coat. This just helps brighten the paint. And I apply it with the 2-inch palm brush, and you just want to rub it in with some paper towels. I had these foam stickers from Dollar General. They are some stars. They were silver, but I had painted them white for a previous project. So I'm just going to add those to the top here, and then I have some artificial sprinkles I used on a previous project, and I'll add those as well. And I have one large popsicle stick that I'm going to glue to the back. And as you can see, we are making a popsicle. So I'm going to take that and glue it to the center of the stained board. And then I had some wood letters, USA, and I'm going to just apply some Wise Owl 1 Hour enamel and sprinkle some silver glitter on them. We're going to get rid of the extra glitter, and I'm going to glue them in the bottom right corner of the stained board. I'm just using a small amount of hot glue. And there we go. Now we have this USA Americana popsicle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, transfers, tissue paper, and stencils can all be found on our website at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.